Hi, I'm Amanda Gakowski and I'm a health inspector at the Durham Region Health Department. Today we're going to be talking about how to properly clean and disinfect to keep yourself and your family healthy. By frequently cleaning and disinfecting, you're preventing the spread of germs that may cause illness. There are several things to consider when you're buying and using cleaning and disinfecting products. Most of these can be found on the label of the product, so make sure you read it carefully. You also want to make sure that you look at the type of product that it is. Is it a cleaner, is it a disinfector, or is it a combination of them? Cleaning is a very important first step. This is where you physically remove dirt, organic matter, and most germs from the surface. However, this doesn't kill or destroy any germs that remain. All surfaces must be thoroughly cleaned before disinfection. This makes sure that germs are not hidden under the dirt from the disinfectant when it's applied. If your product is a cleaner or a combo cleaner disinfectant, you can use this to clean your surfaces, or you can use a detergent with water. Make sure you rinse after the cleaner or soap, as you need to remove the soap and dirt residue to make the disinfectant effective. Your next step is to disinfect. Disinfection kills most disease-causing germs that remain on the surface. Even though people tend to use the term interchangeably, there is a difference between sanitizing and disinfecting. Sanitizing kills less germs than disinfecting. This often will differ with the concentration level of the product and the contact time. This is another important thing to look on the label for. Contact time is the amount of time it takes to kill germs. Many people are not actually aware of this and don't keep the product on the surface long enough. A typical disinfectant will need to be on the surface for at least 4 to 10 minutes depending on the product. There are also different products on the market with different active ingredients. The 3 main chemicals that you might see are sodium hypochlorite, also known as chlorine bleach, quaternary ammonium compounds, often listed as benzochloronium chloride, and hydrogen peroxide. You also want to make sure that what you are using is a recognized disinfectant. All these will have a DIN number on the label. This stands for Drug Identification Number, which is issued by Health Canada to confirm that the product has been tested and the claims made on the label are accurate. Many products out there may appear to be a disinfectant when they are in fact not.
You can easily make a bleach disinfectant solution at home. Bleach is an effective and inexpensive disinfectant. Just add 4 teaspoons of bleach to 1 liter of water. This solution would need to be on the surface for at least 1 minute to properly disinfect. This type of homemade solution is only effective for 24 hours, so a new solution would need to be made each day that it's needed.
I hope you learned how to properly clean and disinfect to keep you and your family safe from germs. Be sure to check out our website at durham.ca/health. Thanks for watching.